Good afternoon, I'm Betty Swollocks, and what a fucking surprise. The Met Office are back again with another polished bucket of bollocks for the dribbling masses. Look at that sky. Go on, actually look at the bastard. It's not a few high clouds drifting through, is it? It's been clawed to bits, sliced up, smeared out, fucked into a pale white chemical tampon, and then handed back to you as if it's just one of those quirky little spring days. Oh, is it, love? Is it just a quirky little spring day? Funny that, because 2 hours ago it was blue, and now it looks like the ceiling of a crack den. And there they are on the telly again, these smug, media-trained arseholes, stood in front of their little colour map like they're revealing the secrets of the cosmos, when really all they're doing is lying through veneered teeth, while the entire sky above your head looks like a public toilet wall after a 6-day coke binge. Some rain moving south, colder air pushing in, a breezy one across northern areas. Shut your hole. You're not forecasting weather, you're narrating vandalism. You're putting a nice cardigan over a corpse and telling everyone Nan's just having a nap. Every fucking time it's the same routine. Nice patch of blue, then the lines start. 1, 2, 10, 20, then the whole lot spreads into that manky white slurry. The sun starts glowing like a dying torch in a piss-stained pillowcase, and by tea time some dead-eyed cunt in a blazer is on the BBC going, "A little more cloud than we saw yesterday." Cloud? Cloud? That's not cloud, you dishonest little bastard. That's the sky looking like it's been wiped down with a cum rag dipped in bleach. And this is where they rely on the public being thick as pig shit, because apparently if you throw enough phrases at them like jet stream, air mass, frontal boundary, and Atlantic influence, they stop trusting their own fucking eyeballs. They'll stand under a sky that looks like a used plaster and still go, well, I suppose they know best. No, they fucking don't. They know what they're allowed to say. That's different. You can hear it in the delivery as well, that calm, smug, syrupy little tone, like they're speaking to children, like you should feel embarrassed for noticing that the weather now changes with all the grace and subtlety of a pub fight. 1 minute sunshine, next minute grey filth, then wind, then sleet, then a weird sticky glare, then some bullshit about variable conditions. Variable conditions? The whole atmosphere looks like it's on drugs. And the thing that really takes the piss is how confident they are while doing it. That's what makes you want to launch the remote through the screen. They don't even look ashamed. Not a flicker, not a wobble. Just straight-faced, state-fed confidence while feeding the country another tray of reheated lies. It's almost impressive, really. Imagine being that much of a brazen cunt that you can stand there under a sky that's been absolutely shagged senseless and say, "A few harmless wisps overhead." Pff, harmless wisps? Fuck off. It's all euphemisms. That's their game. Nothing is ever what it is. It's never filth, never manipulation, never engineered-looking muck sprayed all over the place. No, it's haze. It's thin cloud, it's lingering moisture, it's a changeable setup. Just endless, tidy little phrases for a sky that looks like someone's emptied a fucking fire extinguisher into heaven. And the public, God bless the poor brain-dead sausages, just swallow it. They'll photograph the mess, post it online, put a little heart next to it. Beautiful sky tonight. Beautiful. It looks like the apocalypse has sneezed. That's where we are now, a country of people being mugged off in plain sight by presenters with perfect hair and the emotional range of an air freshener. These cunts could stand in front of a mushroom cloud and tell you it's a touch overcast in places. So here's your real forecast from Betty Swollocks. Tomorrow, more of the same manipulated shite. The next day, same again. Then a bit of wind to move the filth about. Then rain so they can pretend nature did it all by herself. Then a smug explanation. Then another map. Then another dead behind the eyes presenter smiling like a hostage while feeding you more atmospheric fiction. And through it all, not one of the bastards will say the obvious. Not one. Because that would require a spine. That would require a soul. That would require them to stop being polished little mouthpieces for a system that pisses in your face and calls it a spring update. So enjoy your mixed conditions, you poor gullible fuckers. Enjoy your brighter spells. Enjoy your scattered showers. Because whilst you're busy dying from their slow, kill off the world's dwindling population techniques, you can bet your left testicle they're already getting ready to drop their latest batch of experimental aerosols into your air supply. I have been Betty Swollocks, and that was your weather. Please remember, people, if you watch these forecasts and you enjoy them, then please share them for others to enjoy. And don't forget to follow Liam Stoneley on Facebook, YouTube or TikTok. Bye for now.